Hello everyone, we're Team Aura, and today we are excited to present our final project for CS 5520. My name is Jing Hanfu, and I'm here with my teammates Chuan Qiu and Jin Zhang. So let's begin by introducing our app, Aura. Aura is a simple, accessible mental wellness companion app designed to support users in their daily emotional well-being. So our target audience is college students and young professionals, so people who are often juggling academic pressure, career development, and personal life challenges. So what makes Aura different from wellness apps like Headspace or Calm? So first, we directly connect mood tracking with AI-driven feedback. So when a user logs their emotion, Aura provides supportive conversation and suggestions through the AI chat. Second, simplicity and accessibility. So every core feature like mood login, the AI chat, and the resource access is designed to be reachable within 2 taps. And third, Aura builds a bridge between the digital support and real-world help. Like using the GPS, the apps help user locate nearby mental health resources, clinics, and crisis hotlines. Initial plan. Okay, so for our initial project plan, we identified 5 key features that we wanted to implement. First is our daily mood login, allowing users to record how they feel and write optional journal entries. Second is an AI support assistant, offering empathetic conversations and emotional guidance. Third is a resource finder to connect users with nearby mental health services using location data. The fourth is user authentication through the Firebase, so multiple users can securely use the app. And the fifth, the cloud data storage with the Firestore to save mood history, the chat messages, and the user information. So we divided work among our team. I handled authentication and Firebase setup, Chuan developed mood login and AI chat, and Jen worked on the home screen, the resources page, and GPS features. Next, Chuan will walk you through what we accomplished and we didn't, and our future plans.
Okay, thank you for your start. Now, I'm going to talk about how what we planned and what we were able to implement it and what we couldn't. First, I'm going to show you the every screens and how and their features. We got a authentication system that enables login and sign up with Firebase authentication and secure session management and password validation and error handling. And after the user has logged in, the app will navigate to a home screen where users can, pick their which feature they want to use. We have a mood login, we have a AI chat, and a resources page that can users can see the nearby support from a map. So the mood login screen, users can select can pick their daily emotions with an optional journal entry for each mood, and the data is stored in Firebase Firestore. And the AI chat, we are currently doing a mock AI chat. So there are certain built-in senses that the AI chat can sort of like talk to the user, and it's kind of like a just regular chat screen that you can see on those messaging apps. And the resources page, there are some built-in helplines, and the user can see the support near them. So that's the basic layout of all the features, and every screens, the navigation between the screens are all managed through the home dashboard. We will use an event bus to handle all the navigations. And there are something we couldn't complete, and we can maybe improve in the future. So one thing we couldn't complete was that the real AI chat. We tried to use an API key from Hugging Face because it's free, but it didn't work out. So we go with the mock AI chat instead. And first we thought of like doing this feature of a guided exercises. We planned a library of breathing exercises and meditations, but this became a stretch goal we couldn't reach. As for future development goals, we aim to add guided exercises which users can where users can breathe exercise and do a 5-minute meditations, and we plan to implement the real AI chat integration. That's what we completed and hope to improve in the future. Now let's move on.
Okay, now I'll start our live demonstration with the authentication flow. So when users first open Aura, they are greeted with a clean and simple login page. So if they don't have an account yet, they can tap sign up here. And here users enter their email and password. And we also handle like basic validations, like checking if these two passwords match. So let me create a demo right now. And here users can enter their email and password. We also handle the basic validations, like checking if these two passwords match. And once I tap sign up, the Firebase securely creates the user account. And after signing up, the user is taken directly to the home screen. We also have this logout button on the top right corner. And once I tap logout, as you can see, it returns me to the login page. And now I'll log in again with the same account. Okay, so the login is handled by the Firebase authentication, and as soon as the credential is verified, I'm taken right back to the home screen. And this completes the authentication demo. Now I'll hand it over to Tran to walk through the Mood login and AI chat features.
Okay, so at the home screen, we can navigate to Moodlog and chat with Aura using these two buttons. So I'm gonna take you to the Moodlog first. At the Moodlog screen, we got 5 different moods the users can pick and an optional journal entry. So if I type in something and select a mood and click the save mood, the Moodlog will appear on the history table down here. The history table is presented by some UI table cells. On the rightmost corner of the Moodlog screen, we can go to the community feed, where users can see all the Moodlogs by all the users, and they can do some interactions. They can like or dislike other users' Moodlogs. The like counts are managed by an empty document that's named after the user clicked on the like or dislike button, and this is the Moodlog screen. And the chat with Aura, the AI chat screen, the users can chat with the mock AI, and the texts are displayed by some bubble cells, just like those message apps. And on this AI chat, we have a deep link that can navigate to the resources page, where users can find the support. And on the resources page, there's also a deep link that can get the user back to the AI chat. So and now I'll give the floor to the next member, and he'll show the features he implemented.
I'll demonstrate the resource feature with GPS integration. From the home screen, I'll tap Found Resources, and you can see that here we listed some important resources here. For example, 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline, and the Crisis Text Line, and NAMI Helpline, and SAMHSA National Helpline. These are some very important and helpful resources there. And now I'll tap Find Nearby Support to use GPS. So here, because we use the emulator, and we put the location of GPS in Boston. The map, we found 3 resources nearby. The first one is Massachusetts General Hospital, Boston Medical Center, and Cambridge Health Alliance. And if we tap here, here comes some more detailed information of the hospital. You can call them. And we also can view the resources on the map. If I tap View on the map, here on the map, you can see the hospital and your location. Blue one, the blue dot is our phone's location. And this one is Massachusetts General Hospital, and this is the Boston Medical Center. And CHA is here. So this is a GPS and the map feature here. Yeah, if you tap the hospital, it shows how many kilometers is the hospital to you. Users can also have, if we implemented the calling with one tap feature, so you can just tap this and you can call the hospital. Next part, I will talk about what we have learned. First, we built Aura taught us many valuable lessons. The first part, I will talk about the technical skills. We learned Swift and the UIKit for iOS development. We learned Firebase integration, both authentication and Firestore. We learned core location framework for GPS functionality, MapKit for Apple Map integration, MVC architecture, and the clean code organization. And we also learned collaboration skills. For example, we use Git for version control with feature branches. We learned to integrate code from different team members. We created shared contract like integration contracts, Swift for module communication. And we learned about the project management, break down feature into small tasks, and plan by the date, and do follow up to each other, and talk about the obstacles we faced, and work together. Difficulties. Next part, I will talk about the difficulties we faced. The first one is Xcode configuration. Setting up the project structure and managing file reference was sometimes frustrating. Second one is Firebase integration. Learning to properly structure Firestore collections and handle async callback took time. Third one is merging code. Integrating UI and logic from 3 different team members require careful coordination. Fourth one is time management. Balancing coursework with app development was challenging, which is why some feature became future goal. And for the overall reflection, in reflection, this project was an incredibly learning experience. We started with ambitious vision for a mental wellness app, and while we couldn't implement every feature we dreamed of, we successfully built a functional, user-friendly app that addresses a real need. Aura demonstrates that accessible mental health tool can be created by a small team with dedication and good planning. Most importantly, we learned that building software is a team effort. Communication, clear interface between modules, and mutual support are just as important as coding skill. Thank you for watching our presentation. We are Team Aura, Jinghan Fu, Chuan Qiu, and Jian Zhang. Thank you.